Are you thinking about investing or trading on exorh.com? Hold on, because what I found might change your mind. On the surface, exorh.com markets itself as a cutting-edge crypto platform that promises fast, seamless trading across more than 100 decentralized exchanges. It highlights access to big-name coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance, wrapped in a sleek interface designed to impress. But once you start digging beneath the surface, things start to get shady fast. First off, the website design appears to be directly copied from known scam sites, which immediately raises concerns about originality and intent. It gives off a polished look, but when you compare it to several other scam platforms, the similarities are too close to ignore. They also claim to have high-level security features and certifications, but there's absolutely no proof to support any of those claims, no third-party audit links, no official badges that actually verify anything. That's a major red flag in a space where security and trust should be transparent and verifiable. Even more suspicious is the fact that their domain was just registered on May 14, 2012, which makes it extremely new and virtually untested by real users. A trustworthy crypto platform would usually have some digital footprint, but in this case, I couldn't find a single user review or discussion about Exorh anywhere, not on Reddit, not on crypto forums, not even in scam reporting communities. And the supposed partnerships they boast about? Completely unverifiable. I checked their claimed affiliates and partners, and none of them have mentioned Exorh on their end, not even once. That could mean those relationships are either exaggerated or entirely fabricated. I thoroughly explored the site, clicked through every feature, tested their user interface, and checked the backend scripts for clues, and while nothing screamed instant scam, nothing reassured me either. It's like a house built with pretty wallpaper but no foundation. So is exorh.com legit or a crypto scam? Honestly, it falls right into the murky middle site that might be prepping for something real or just setting the stage for another rug pull. If you value your money and security, I'd strongly advise staying away for now. Let time and real user feedback reveal what this platform really is.